Mirel here, and namaste. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tarot Reader Mirel. And let's start off with all of you lovely people who chose card number one. So, for all of you who chose card number one, here is your card coming up. Card number one, here is your card. The card number one says competitive Kelly. Okay, and it's asking you to stop comparing yourself to others. So what does this card mean? Why have you got this card? So the purpose of getting this card is to give you this message that you need to stop comparing yourself to others. Nowadays it's very easy, you go on social media, and you look at people's achievements, marriages, relationships, travel, iPhone, whatnot is getting posted on social media, right? Whether it's Facebook or Instagram, any social media platform that you use. And what happens is, it's very common by default, we start comparing our lives to the lives of the people who post such videos and pictures, isn't it? So that's what we do, right? We open our Instagram, we look at these models, these beautiful girls in makeup, and what do we say? We start comparing, right? Like the picture says here, we start comparing ourselves and say, oh, I wish I would look as pretty as her, or I wish I could look as thin as her, I wish I could lose weight and look as slim and beautiful as this person. Don't we say that to ourselves? Especially you guys who got card number one. Those of you who got card number one, I feel that you all have a fear that someone is out there is better than you, or more ambitious than you, or achieved more than you. So that's what you constantly in your head, you keep doing that to yourself all the time. So this card is telling you to stop comparing yourself to others, accept yourself, and the most probable thing coming up is there's going to be an advancement in your career for you. There is some kind of a project that would come up which would require teamwork, and your inputs would be needed. Okay, your contribution would be needed, right? Good card. As far as your career is concerned, your ambitions are concerned, it's going to take a U-turn. Something new is coming up for you in the coming week or the coming weeks ahead, so watch out for that. And the key word for you, your remedy, your tip is learn to start accepting yourself the way you are. You don't need to be beautiful to look in a particular way or to accept yourself. Okay, you don't need to say such superficial things like I am beautiful or everybody's beautiful. No, that's not required. You just need to accept yourself just the way you are, okay, with all your flaws and all your good qualities. So this week or the week ahead, focus on self-acceptance. So that's all we have for all you lovely people who chose card number one. On to those who chose card number two. So for those of you who chose card number two, this is your card here. For all the lovely people who chose card number two, is what does it say? Genuine Genie. This is a card for emotions, that stands for emotions. So it's talking about let your feelings be your guide. Okay, as a card says here, let your feelings be your guide. So what does this card exactly mean? So it's telling you about focusing on your feelings. What do you feel right now? Say for example, I'll give you an example. Like if you feel like crying, people around you, like your friends or your mom, would say, oh, stop being a crybaby, right? We get this very often. Men get this very often. Mard bano, be strong. Well, that's not acceptable. You need to feel your feelings right now, guys who chose, all of you who chose card number two, guys and girls obviously. So it says here to get in touch, acknowledge the emotions that you are feeling. Or say for example, you feel angry right now, okay, and you want to, I was saying, you're told not to get angry, stop being a drama queen or drama king or whatever, but the thing is that there is something that is bothering you, your emotions, your feelings. There's something beneath that is disturbing you. You need to acknowledge it and get in touch with your feelings this week. Otherwise, I tip, my remedy for those who chose card number two is stop pretending to be somebody else just to impress others. Okay, you need to reveal and show your real feelings to the person so that they know who you really are. Stop pretending to be somebody that you are not. The person see the real you, which is revealed through your feelings. If you're trying to pretend or impress anybody, that person is the wrong person for you. chose, if you're planning to get married, then you'll be dating someone very soon. You'll be meeting somebody for marriage, which you could consider for a long-term commitment. That is also revealed in this card. Future number two who are already married, right? It is the right time to emotionally reveal to your partner who you really are. Okay, be I mean, I would say it's just that it is all the barriers towards your emotional self. Okay, remove all the barriers that is there, and don't be afraid, don't be scared. Just show who you really are. Speak your true feelings, and your marriage will improve. We have number two, guys. For all you lovely people, let me know in the comment section below if this card resonated with you. Let me know what you felt about it, or what period of your life that you're going through that indicated in this card, what I just mentioned. Moving on to the card number three. So all of you lovely people who chose card number three, this is your card. It's talking about wise Walter, and it says don't make problems you don't have. So what does this mean? It seems like all you guys who chose card number three, you're either dwelling too much on the past, okay, like this happened, you're fussing over the past, that happened, or you are occupied too much about the future, what might happen or what is going to happen to you. Okay, that is why you got this card. Like, okay, what my problem is, you have no idea. The thing is why you got this card, wise Walter, is you have cut off all possibilities in your life. You're feeling stuck right now. Okay, you're afraid to make that decision because you feel you might look stupid, or it won't be acceptable, or you are not pleasing the other person, or you feel you're not good enough, right? So these are the reasons you're not making the decision, and that is why you're feeling stuck right now in your life. Also indicates, okay, that the reason why you are feeling this way, why you're afraid, why you're feeling stuck, is something may have gone wrong in your past. Okay, and that is stopping you from making the decision. All right, so you must have faced some kind of a failure, something didn't go as per expectation or what you expected, and you're afraid that what happened in the past is going to repeat once more again, and because of that fear of failure, you're not taking that step because you're scared it might happen again to you. For all of you, my solution for those who chose card number three is, I know that you're frozen with inaction, you're frozen and you're like stuck and not taking action, but according to me, what I'm sensing is that you are smarter than you think you are. Okay, you're much more intelligent than you think you are. You're much more capable, you're much more good enough than you think you are. You chose, I feel that there is a new opportunity coming ahead for you. Okay, so don't hesitate to take that step. All the answers that you are seeking are within you. The answer in you already know what to do, you already know what is the next step to take, you already have that idea, you already have that suggestion in your mind, okay, I should be doing this. So go ahead and take action towards it. It's going to turn out to be successful. And without any delay, do not delay it any further. Go ahead and take that action, what you're supposed to do, and wish you all the best and all the success ahead for you. Card, do let me know in the comment section below whether you resonated with this card, whether you did resonate with my message. What are you going through in your life? How did this card help you? How did the reading help you? I would be reading all the comments in the comment section below. Disclaimer, all of you who I read the three cards for, this is not pick a card is not for predicting the future, right? These are the possibilities that lie ahead for you. All of you who picked card 1, 2 or 3, these are the possibilities that lie ahead for you. It all depends on the suggestion and the advice that I have given within each card. How, whether you implement it or not, that is going to open up doors for you. Okay, so please keep in mind, is whatever suggestion I have given you, please take value in it, utilize it, and then you see doors of opportunity opening up for you, for whoever who chose card number 1, 2 or 3. Subscribe YouTube channel below. I'll be having these weekly readings that I have every month, and also monthly zodiac readings, and including many other videos that I'll be posting on this channel. So do subscribe to this channel, and yes, do keep in mind that this was a general reading. If you want to take a personal reading, please contact me on my Facebook or Instagram page, and to book a session, and the charges and everything is given after you contact me on these pages. Okay, so take care, have a great week ahead, and Merry Christmas in advance to all of you who are celebrating, and take care and have a great week ahead. Till then, this is Tarot Reader Mirel saying namaste and bye.